Now I'm aiming for heaven, but probably wind up down in hell, where upon this altar I will hang my guilt-ridden head. But it's time I'll take before I begin. 3 sheets to the wind, 3 sheets to the wind. Yeah, it's time I'll take before I begin. 3 sheets to the wind, 3 sheets to the wind. Rebels away, though heavy our hearts shall always be. Ah, no ball or chain, no prison shall keep. We're the rebels of the sacred heart. I said no ball or chain, no prison shall keep. We're the rebels of the sacred heart. Terrified of the open road, yeah, where it leads, you never know. But rest assured, he'll be on your back. Yeah, the Holy Ghost through his tongues in black. As the band of hells and the young girl cries, the blessed Virgin in a proud band's eye. The albatross hanging round your neck is the cross you bear for your sins he bleeds. Rebels away, don't let me shall always be. And a ball or chain, no prison shall keep. We're the rebels of the sacred heart. I said no ball or chain, no prison shall keep. We're the rebels of the sacred heart. Genuflect all you refugees who fled the land. Now on guilt you kneel and say a prayer for those left behind. From beyond the pale to the northern sky, so you saved your shillings and your last sixpence, 'cause in God's name they built a barbed wire fence. Be glad you sailed for a better day, but don't forget there'll be hell to pay. Rebels away, don't let me your heart shall always be. And a ball or chain, no prison shall keep. We're the rebels of the sacred heart. I said no ball or chain, no prison shall keep. We're the rebels of the sacred heart. Yeah. Resurrection, no protection, all things life must be. No ball or chain, no prison shall keep. We're the rebels of the sacred heart. Now bless me, Father, for I have sinned. But it's the same old story again and again and again. Ah well, such is the bread of an everyday life, from morning to noon to the shadowless night. Ah well, such is the bread of an everyday life, from morning to noon to the shadowless night. Rebels away, though heavy our hearts shall always be. Ah, no ball or chain, no prison shall keep. We're the rebels of the sacred heart. I said no ball or chain, no prison shall keep. We're the rebels of the sacred heart.